Okay, so hi everyone, good evening, welcome. So my name is Nandu Vaid. I'm from Atlanta. I basically do some of these demos. So students of all types of background come to the demo, right? So like yesterday, there were a couple of people teaching background, travel, legal, banking. So it is not necessary that you have to have a solid IT background to do these classes. Okay, so not necessary at all. So because this is one of the frequently asked questions. Okay. So today, with the two people, it might take about 40-45 minutes max. I will give you all the details. What we are going to do is we are just introducing ourselves. Okay, I will also shortly introduce myself and about the company, BA and QA syllabus. So BA and QA, this is our 16th year of teaching BA and QA. Thousands of students have done our BA QA classes, and it's a very extensive, elaborate training. Okay, we'll also discuss the schedule. We'll also talk about how we help with marketing, resume, and interview preparations. And towards the end, we'll also see what is BA and what is QA. Okay, we'll also look at that. I'll give you a quick overview of that. And any questions you may have, you can also ask. Okay, all right. So I basically teach majority of BA and some QA. Okay, the entire QA course pretty much was designed by me, and QA course also I've done a lot of work around QA as well. Personally, I have around 30 years of IT experience around BA, programming, testing, training, etc. And of course, some audit work also I have done. These are the companies. Majority of my experience, 90% of my experience is in the US. So some certifications and training experience. That's what this summarizes. If you are taking BA, definitely you will hear a lot from me. QA also, you will hear from me. So this is the main part of the presentation. Students always ask this question, hey, do you assist with placements, resume, interview preparation, right? What are the courses that you offer and other information, right? So basically, as I told you, this is our 16th year of doing business. We started, exactly 15 and a half years ago. 2005, July 5, we started. We have good, accreditation with Better Business Bureau, A+, and we have won awards based on customer feedback. Okay, all these things I'm telling you to first establish certain level of trust and reliability, because there are so many companies that are offering training. So why should you take training from us? Basic directly or indirectly, this slide addresses that. Okay. All right. So giving you more details, I'm going to give you more details. So 1 second. So more authentic data to establish the fact that we have a good accreditation A+. This is our start date of the company, right? Start date of the company, and you can see all the details. You can also call Better Business Bureau in Atlanta to check on us. Okay. All right. So let me close this. So this is the awards logo. So let me. 6 consecutive years we won awards based on customer feedback, and we are an E-Verify company. You can search us on government database and you will find us. E-Verify database and you will find us. And these are all testimonials: Google, Facebook, Kudzu. So Kudzu only we won all the awards. 274 reviews we had. 6 consecutive years we won awards. Our address. So rest of the details are here. Okay. So we are also on Facebook, Google. So Google we have 4.9 out of 53. You can check that. This is our office space in Atlanta. Okay. Okay. It's a 360-degree view if you want to check. Because especially for you, Mahima, I'm showing all this to establish the fact that we are in a US-based company with having a proper office. This is where our mainly consulting, recruitment, marketing, all happens from this office. Just wanted to let you know on that. Training. So as far as training is concerned, we offer multiple courses, BA, QA with Selenium, BA, QA integrated, domain classes, Selenium WebDriver, automation, IS2QB, Java, AWS, etc. Okay, so lots of Scrum courses, all that we offer. BA and QA course details can be found here, but I will show you a summary of that very shortly. So these are all some of our clients. This list is not complete. So Atlanta Public School, State of Georgia, Oregon, Connecticut, Cognizant. We are also direct vendors for State of Virginia and about to sign up with the State of Delaware. Okay. So these are all our clients. We work with TCS, HCL, Wipro, etc. And one more thing I want to show you. One second. Okay. So we do help with resume and interview preparation. Meghna is the one that handles, because this is one of the frequently asked questions. Do you help with the job placements, resume and interview preparation? Yes. Job placements. Let me show you job placement information. Regarding job placement, first to place somebody, you need to have your own clients. So these are our own clients. And I'm also going to open up and show some client data. Okay. So I just showed you real data related to all these things, right? HCL data, state of Georgia, state of, I think the Coandis was state of Connecticut. Okay, so I can also show data with every company. But so since this is one of the frequently asked questions, I want to address that. So after the course is done, what happens is we do help with resume and interview preparation, and then take students towards marketing. That is what happens. So now I'm going to show you about. Just now I showed you about placement information. I will also show you about resume and interview preparation. So for resume and interview preparation, we have Meg now is helping. So these are all some data from there. Aarti, resume preparation, mock interview, right? Mock interview preparation. Okay, Aditya is saying come and join the mock interview through this link. So like that, we do mock interviews, resume preparation. These are all 2016-17 emails from resume, mock interview, etc. And we have done this for a very long time. It is not like we started yesterday. So this is from 2014 data. 2014 data, you can see. Okay. So like that, plenty of emails showing students thanking us for helping with the resume preparation, interview preparation, all that. Somebody needs what you call job support, need technical help from a new assignment, right? So that also we help. Okay, technical help on the assignment, all that we do. And our BA program is also highly hands-on. We do lots of projects. And QA program, QA, both QA and BA programs are um, highly hands-on. We do about 8 projects. I will come to that. Okay, so this should give you an idea on what we are doing, So we also provide a lot of internship opportunities. I left this email. This is from 2014. You can see we created internship opportunities for students. Those days mock interviews, helping a student in, right? So we continue to do that. Just want to let you know on that. Okay, people again. So again, Aditya helping the student in 2015, right? So this is one of the frequently asked questions. Students always ask us, hey, do you help with job placements, resume, and interview preparation? Yes, we have our clients and recruiters. We also have additional staff, 2 people helping students with resume and interview preparation. Okay. And another frequently asked question is job support. I just showed you a couple of examples where we showed to show that we provide job support. Material and videos will be provided. Suppose middle of the course, you have to take a vacation, you miss 15 classes, you can come back and retake the classes free. Okay, I already talked about these things. So marketing also I talked about. Okay, so this is the part 1 of the demo. Okay, part 1. Okay, part 1 of the demo. All right, so let's see if you have any questions. Mahima, go ahead. You have any questions?
No, I'm good.
Okay. So Anuradha, go ahead. So you can unmute.
As of now, no questions, Nanduji.
Okay, thank you. All right. So in part 2, what we are going to do is, one second, let me move all this junk data. In part 2, what we are going to do is, okay. So we are going to discuss about what is BA and what is QA. Okay. Then, we'll try to relate the BA QA roles and responsibilities to the syllabus. And then we'll check the schedule. These are the 3 things that, we will do. Okay. All right. So what is BA and what is QA? So let me close some windows. Okay. Okay. So what is BA and what is QA? Right. So let's look at part 2. First is what is BA and what is QA. Right. Since you both have very little or no IT background, so I'm going to keep it simple. So first thing is I'm going to start off with saying that software is a product. Okay. Software is a product, you like any other product in the marketplace. You can even compare it with building, car, pen, etc. Why we are making such a comparison? Because many non-IT concepts are in QA and BA. What is the meaning of non-IT concept? That means day to day, that is day to day, many day to day concepts can be found in IT. Right? Many day to day concepts are in IT. Okay. So, so you are in teaching or you are in marketing, sales. Okay. So some of those concepts can be applied within IT. Not all, some. For that, let's look at a process for building your home. We'll compare this process to building a software. Along the way, look at BA and QA. Okay. So first, what we are going to look at is, we'll look at a process. So first, we look at a process for constructing a home, which both Anu and Magima you can understand easily. Then we'll compare this with the process for building a software and see the similarity. And that way, you will understand the process at a high level and understand the BA QA roles also at a high level. Okay. So let's say you are here. Okay. You are my customer. I'm in Atlanta. I'm an architect builder. Okay. I'm an architect builder. I have a team of people who can design homes, construct or develop homes, and also test it for quality. So one day you call me and said, I want to, write, you said, these are my needs. You said, okay, I need a 3,000 square feet home, 4 bedroom, 5 bath, kitchen, dining room, living room, etc. And then let's say you emailed it to me. Okay. So the customer, that is you, email the, details, some details to the builder, architect builder. So what do I do? Let's say I am the architect builder. What do I do with your data? So emailed half a page information. Okay. And I review it. The first thing I do is I'm going to review it. Okay. So the first thing AB guy does is review customer requirements. Review customer requirements. Right? Customer needs. Review customer needs. Review business needs. So this is also a business, right? Representing the business. Right? That is our relationship is business. Sorry, our relationship is business. So your needs. I'm looking at your needs, customer needs. Then what do I do? You didn't provide a lot of details. So I need a lot of details. So I'm going to set up a meeting with you. Set up a meeting with you to talk to you. So meet with the customer. Set up a meeting with the customer to go over all these your needs, all these requirements. So why we are meeting? We are purpose is to get more details, gather more information. Right? Set up a meeting with the customer to get more information. Right? So the AB's role is to review customer requirements, meet with the customer, gather more details. Okay, gather more details means what? Suppose if it is kitchen, right? So I'm going to ask you questions. That is, I am AB. I'm going to ask you questions. Hey, what is the size of the kitchen? What kind of flooring you want? What kind of cabinets you want? Etc. So all this data will be gathered from you. So you are like, yeah, I need a 10 by 10 kitchen. I need wooden flooring. I need certain type of cabinets. So all this information will be gathered and documented, recorded. Right? So this is about kitchen. Today we discussed about the kitchen. So what happens tomorrow? We will talk about dining room. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4 will be repeated. Review customer requirements. Talk to the customer. Meet with the customer. Talk to the customer. Gather more information. Document the gathered information. Day after tomorrow, we'll talk about living room. So steps 1, 2, 3, 4 will be repeated. Okay. Once it's reached a point when this documentation is ready, right? The AB, assuming I am the AB architect builder, I will share this document with the customer. Share with the customer so that customer can approve it. Customer can approve it. Review and approve. Okay. Customer can review and approve. Okay, customer can review and approve. After approval, the sixth step is the document will be shared with the design and a construction team. Will create let's say a building. The job of a test team is to test. Make sure customer requirements are met. Suppose if you are testing Magima, you will test it and make sure the size of the kitchen is, for example, 10 by 10. So the fundamental job of a tester is to test a product, make sure documented requirements are met. Okay, so the AB's role is very well documented here. Review customer requirements, meet with the customer, talk to the customer, gather more information, document it, share the final document with the customer to get it reviewed and approved. And then finally, share the document with the design and the construction team will create a product or a building. So this is closely related with how things happen in IT. Let's say you are my customer, you are running a business. Let's say you are running a bookstore and you need a website, right? So I'm I'm in the middle. Let's say I'm in the middle. I am a BA. I also run an IT company. I have a team of people who can design websites or design software, program. Development means what? Construction means here programming and testing. Same as here. Right? Same thing. One day you gave me some needs saying that, hey, I want to build a website. I want to sell my books. So I want to list all my books on this page. Product page, payment page, shipping page, contact page, home page, etc. See, you want to just like Amazon. See, Amazon started as an online bookstore. So you want to sell books via online. So you need things like product page, payment page, shipping, contact, home page, customer support, etc. And then email it to the BA. So what is the role of a BA here? You don't have to be an IT person to understand this, right? So a natural thing for you to do is review these requirements. Review customer requirements, review customer needs, review business needs, however you want to call it. Meet with the customer. Why you have to meet with the customer? Because you didn't provide enough details. Okay, it's all bullet point requirements. Normally customers will not give all those details. So you need to have a conversation with the customer to better understand. Okay, have a conversation with the customer, better understand and get more information, gather more information. What do you do with the gathered information? It cannot go waste. So document it. Document it. Fourth step. Example. Give me an example of how it is gathered. Okay. So here it is. So let's say we are going to talk about payment. I'm a BA. You are a customer. I'm going to ask you a simple question. Hey, in order to, as per your current business model, as of today, okay, what kind of payment methods do you accept? So the customer, let's say you are the customer, you are like, we accept credit card, debit card, and PayPal. So what type of credit cards do you accept? MasterCard and Visa card. What about Amex? No, we don't accept Amex. Okay, well, in order to process a Visa card, what is required? Last name, first name, credit card number, okay, amount, address, etc. Then you go. Well, in order to, what are the rules for credit cards? Oh, 16 digits. Visa cards should start with a 4. So all this information will be gathered and documented. What happens tomorrow? Tomorrow we'll go back and discuss about debit cards, about MasterCard, about PayPal later on, about shipping. Goes on and on for several days. information is gathered and documented. Once documentation is in a shape, then it will be shared with the customer so that customer can approve it. What happens if customer doesn't want to approve, want to make some changes? No issues. We'll discuss. The discussion will happen, for example, between BA and the customer to make necessary changes. Will get approved, and then once approved, okay, the documentation will be shared with the IT design and IT programming team. Will create a software. The job of a QA is to test. Right? For example, you may be testing a Visa card. Right? You may be testing a Visa card. Make sure Visa card is working. You'll be testing with a MasterCard. Make sure MasterCard is working. Meaning what? Let's say you buy a book and you will use your Visa card to make a payment. The payment should go through. Later on, you will make a MasterCard payment and that payment should go through. You will make an Amex payment and that payment should be rejected. Why it should be rejected? Because as per your business model, Amex card is, you don't accept Amex cards. Right? So it will be rejected. So the fundamental job of a BA is to many more things than that, but majority reviewing customer requirements, meeting with the customer, talking to the customer, gathering more information, documenting the gathered information, documenting underline, then work with the customer and other stakeholders to get it approved, and then work with the design development and test team to get it tested. So Anuradha, you have any questions about BA's role?
No, sir.
Okay.
I have been doing this job only as a kitchen business. So,
As what? As a business person. Okay, yeah. Okay, sorry. Go ahead and unmute. By mistake, I muted you.
no issues.
Okay, all right. Yeah, Mahima, go ahead. Do you have any questions about the QA role?
No, I'm clear about it.
Okay. So now I said the BA's job is to gather and document. So what happened is, let me talk about our BA course. First thing is our BA program is globally recognized IIBA endorsed program. Okay. So anybody from any part of the world can take this program. Okay. So we are an endorsed education provider since May 25th, 2015, and beyond May it will be also 2021. It will be extended. Okay, it will be extended. So what that means to you? So you are getting a recognized course. You will get 40 credit hours towards IIBA certification. So it is not some random course, right? Recognized course. You get credit hours towards certification. Second, one thing is certification, but what about projects and all that? That is where I'm coming to next. Okay, we are, IIBA endorsed to 40 credit hours we just talked about. You will do 8 projects, 7 plus 1 in fact. So that project domain covering healthcare, banking and airline, 3 in healthcare, 2 to 3 in banking, probably 1 in insurance and 1 in airline or something like that. You will spend, if you do all the project, you will spend anywhere between 25 to 40 hours in the projects. During the course, not after the course. During the course, projects and a course go together. In addition to that, BAs must know testing. You will learn manual testing. It's included as part of the BA course, Agile, Jira, and SQL. Right? BAs must know testing. BAs should know SQL, Jira, all those things. And, as I told you earlier, we do help with resume and marketing. You can register once and redo it later also. Okay. And these projects, that I put 7, 8 projects, it's not a joke. We seriously do that. So these are all my November projects. You can see BA loan management. That is the 8th project. When it says 8th, that is the 8th project. There's a banking project, the healthcare storyboarding project. Okay, healthcare project. Again, a healthcare project. Okay, banking project, banking ATM withdrawal. Right? So this one is a mobile application project. Okay, mobile application project. The third one is again a healthcare project. Second one, the November batch airline, and one other project. Okay, so this one, I'll just quickly show you one sample project. These are all what is called Wall of Fame, are good projects. I have stored them. Here is a healthcare information project. Students learn how to create these kinds of screens, what is called mock-up screens, and corresponding requirements. These are all requirements. I'm showing it from the back. Oh, this is a third project. Yeah. So this is a documentation. I talked earlier 2 minutes ago about documentation. This is how students learn how to document. This is a fourth project. So here it's a mobile app project where an Uber driver is able to register his name, car details, background information, and success page. Right? This is a big project. You can see that 53 pages, 8,000 words. Right? About 130 plus requirements. Then this is what we call a agile storyboarding project. Students learn this, how to write use case diagrams, storyboarding, all this. Okay. So similarly in QA, the QAs don't prepare documents like this. It is more of testing. So the same, healthcare. And right now we have healthcare, banking, and insurance in place. Insurance we are just launching for your batch to be, so these are the type of applications you'll be testing and using real-time type of applications. Okay, so that is what will happen in the QA. QA's job is to test. So you'll be testing healthcare applications, insurance, and banking type of applications. Here also you can register once and repeat the course for free. So this course is a 9-week course. 9-week course. So manual testing and SQL, it's about 25 hours. And automation is about 70 hours. You learn Selenium with Java. Okay, 70 hours consists of Java programming. You learn Selenium. You also learn what is called Groovy scripting. So then you learn their API, SOAP, REST, and Postman. Then you learn Cucumber, and then DevOps and mobile testing with API. Towards the end, we also do general interview, more manual testing, and job preparation. So this is the course summary. Okay. What else? Yeah, I think that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys. Um, so you are going to learn you don't have to have Java background. You will learn Java from the beginning, and you are also going to, based on Java, you are also going to learn some Groovy scripting. Both will happen. So we focus more on Selenium and API. That itself is roughly, if you can see, about 46 to 50 hours of the course. Okay, because this is where jobs are. Okay, of course, manual testing we cover in detail as well. There are some jobs there, but that foundation is very important. Okay, all right. So Mahima, go ahead. Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. Once again, somebody new joined. Kishra, you are muted. Can you please unmute? Hello, Kishra. You are welcome to unmute to talk. but it's okay. Yeah, Kishra, tell me. Kishra, which course are you looking for? Yeah, Kishra, can you unmute and let me know which course are you looking for?
QA.
Okay.
QA
So,
testing.
okay. So, did you arrive when you just arrived when I was explaining this?
Yes.
Okay. All right. I'll come back to you. Okay. So, we are into 40th minute of the demo. So, I'll come back to you in a second. Okay. So, Anuradha, you can unmute and let me know if you have any questions.
Sir, in the details, I don't have asked such any questions. What I have understood has you have told us that for a BA training, I'll be getting 40 hours plus for for the first thing you told, and when with the projects, I'll get 25 to 40 hours, like depending on how I do the project, which has to be done in between of the course. You have mentioned it is a 9-week course.
BA is more like a eight and a half week course. Besides all that, you also
8.
get to
Okay.
know manual testing. So I will also show you a sample schedule. Mostly the schedule is like this. So let me show you a sample schedule and let me stop the recording also 1 second.